Now we will see exploitation of command injections. Basically, what an attacker can achieve by this vulnerability. So for this, you download the comics. Comics is a very good automation command injection exploitation. So I already gave you the link, that is this link. Now I already got, this is a vulnerability, this is a vulnerable URL. Let's copy this. I will go to downloads. So sorry. Downloads. I already downloaded comics. Now let's Python comics -u and URL, if URL based. Let's enter this. So they are giving me some problem. Let's do root sudo space -s. Let's run this file with the root permission. Python comics -u. Now URL, enter. Do you recognize the server's operating system? Yes, we already have checked that ls command was working there, so I'll give Unix. Do you run? No, I don't want to resume. Do you want to ignore? Yes, I want to ignore this. See, this payload worked there. Do you want to sudo terminal? Yes, I want a sudo terminal. If you will do id, see this, they are executing id. We have earlier seen that they are not executing id. They were not executing id. Yes, we have seen that this was not executing id. Now they are executing id. So this is the benefit of the sudo terminal. Through comics, you will have a control of the web server. Let's try ls. So see, ls is also working now. You can even do sim file dump.php. Let's do cat sim file dump.php. Let's see. See this? You are seeing the actual source code of the sim file dump.php. So you can check pwd. So you are in directory of archive model. You can give ls dot slash. Go one directory back and give ls. See, there was les model obs plots. You can give ls dot slash. Let's check. See this? These are the files there. You can open any of the files. Okay, so I think you got an idea that how to do this. Okay, I don't want to go into this server. They may claim some legal action against me, so that's why. Okay, I'm going to stop this now. I hope it's clear to you what an attacker can achieve by this vulnerability. Just remember this command, that is comics space -u and the URL. That's it. Thank you.